key is to keep turning it. Get the smoky flavor nice and even.
That storm's getting closer. Hey, Remy, you think that maybe we shouldn't be so...
Slow.
What an ignoramus.
Take it easy on you! Jasmine, Woody, you stop this at once!
Fire! Fire! Somebody get some help! Get me down!
Hit the shutoff valve!
Wait a second, Daryl. McQueen is in the wreckage.
You're the devil.
Hey! You saved me! I just gotta say, I'm innocent! No!
I got one pizza!
Excuse me, looks like we can get through. Move!
Uh-oh. Bagged, boxed, and ready to ship.
Hey, I'm stuck in a box over here.
What's that, little buddy? Can't hear you.
I'm stuck in a box over here.
Not copying your transmission.
Here we've only got one rule. Never, ever let it...
Woo! Problem solved.
Let's get out of here!
Taran, the sword.
I am Ed! Cheese and macaroni!
What's going on? Whoa! Whoa! Why didn't someone warn me a boat was coming this way?
Get off the roof, get off the roof, get off the roof!
Wow, that was one bad dream.
You had a nightmare too?
Yeah.
Something about the greatest crossover parts. When something about this explosive and various adventures
and Chaotix of Doom, inspired by Maramar Mango Head. The user got mango on his head.
And then, complete and utter disaster!
I guess we really do need a break. All we can think about is work.
Please try not to. I have to do something!
Michael?
We're gonna be okay! I think that's daylight.
Look out.
Hey, who embed this foam? Yeah, that's not real painful, like. Yeah, we know. It's not like the end of the world.
Let's blow this popsicle stand, boys!
Kaboom!
Yes, Rico. Kaboom.
Wait a second. That's not the smell of the foam. That's the smell of the...
What about it? Oh, I see! Well, that's interesting because... Son of a...
Okay, now it's personal.